Hi. So let's talk about how, as a college student, you can decide which field is right for you, right? So you need to decide whether you spend most of your time doing computer programming, you spend your time doing web development, machine learning. Like, how do you make that choice, right? So before, first thing that I want to say very clearly is before you make this choice, you have to get really strong in DSA. That is going to be extremely important. Get really good in data structure algorithms, practice a lot of problems because that is something that you cannot run away from. That is something that you would require whenever you apply for any type of jobs. Let's assume you have done that, you are really good in data structure algorithm. Now you have to make a choice. Should I go for web development? Should I go for machine learning? Should I spend more time in competitive programming? My recommendation in general is going to be do competitive programming for a little bit time, maybe 2-3 months, aggressively, full time, do only competitive programming, but then you need to sort of keep it as a side activity. Spend maybe like 5 to 10 hours a week working on your competitive programming skills, doing some sort of competitions, but your major time should go into learning development or doing machine learning or doing whatever other field that you feel you would like to explore. Why am I saying that? Because this is what you will actually do once you join a job. Competitive programming, DSA is sort of your gateway into the job. But once you join the job, you need to do well there as well, right? So let's prepare for that as well. So how do I choose? Should I go for web development? Should I go for machine learning? Should I go for, let's say, Android application development? How do we decide? So first of all, I think the first thing to look at this is, do you have a strong inclination? If you really feel that you are really excited about machine learning, that's what you want to do, or you feel that I would want to build something that's going to get deployed and like I want thousands of and like maybe more people to see it, then maybe web development is the right thing for you. Or if you feel that having something on the phone that people can use that I have built is going to be extremely exciting, then you can potentially do that. So that's the sort of first thing that you might want to do. If your mind is telling you, I don't know, I don't care, like I'm not sure about what I really want to do, now how do I decide? Now, if it comes to that, my recommendation to everybody is to first do web development because there are far many jobs in web development than machine learning, right? Android would still have more jobs than machine learning, but web has a lot more jobs. Simple reason is any company who is working on machine learning will need a website to deploy those machine learning, whatever models they are building, right? Only then the customer or the end user will be able to use this. If you want to build an Android application, you would still want a server where the data is stored from where you want to fetch them. So web development is something that each and every company would require. So automatically means there are far more web development jobs than other type of jobs. And that's not the only reason, right? I think even more important reason is that once you become really good in web development, you feel that confidence within you that you can build these websites, you can build these servers, which automatically means that if you now start learning machine learning or you now start learning Android application development, you know that, hey, I know how to build the backend as well. If I'm working on a machine learning model, I know how do I deploy it so that people can actually use it. That is very empowering, right? That is extremely empowering, right? If you, for example, learn machine learning before actually knowing web development, you whatever you build, you will not be able to put it on a server and make people use that. That is the only drawback. So that would be my first recommendation, just because of these two things. And if you have enough time, you want to do machine learning, I would still say do web development as well and then do machine learning. You can do them like start learning a little bit of machine learning, spend more time on web development, and as soon as you're good in web development, you can start spending more time on machine learning. So you can do that, right? If you have only time enough for only one, first way to decide what do you want to do. If you're not clear on that, I would recommend go with web development. That's going to give you far more options in terms of eventually moving towards machine learning, moving towards Android, or far more job options as well. Right? Perfect. Thank you.
For new programming updates and videos, subscribe to Coding Ninjas channel.